Our first lesson is going to be a review of addition with carry. Let's say I have a number like 327 plus 86. When I first start teaching this every year, I'll put these lines here because you have to understand you can only have one number in each column. Just one number. Okay? 7 plus 6 is 13. The problem is you can't have but how many numbers? One number. One number. So I do this little rhyme. The number on the right is going to hang tight. And we're going to lift the left. So the 3 is going to stay right here in the 13. It takes its place. And we put the 1 right up here. It's called carry. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, and 8 plus 3 is 11. But you can't put two numbers. You cannot put two numbers in one slot. In this case, again, the number on the right is going to hang tight. We're going to lift the left. In this case, it's the same number. Goes up here, and 1 plus 3 is 4. And the answer is 413. Let's work another one here. Let's say 840, a little bit of 8 in that. 849 plus 73. Again, I like to put these lines through here. When I run those papers off at school, I already have the lines on the paper where it helps teach you. You can only have one number in each column. 9 plus 3 is 12. But you cannot have two numbers in one column. The number on the right, which is a 2, is going to hang tight, and we're going to lift the left. So you carry and put the 1 over here. 1 plus 4 is 5, and 7 plus 5 is 12. Put down the 2 and carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. It gives us an answer of 922. 922. Let's work just a few more. We'll make these just a little bit bigger. Okay. What if you had 5,369 plus 842? 9 plus 2 is 11, but you can't put two numbers in one column. The number on the right is going to hang tight, and we're going to lift the left. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 11 more, 7 plus 4 more is 11 again. But the problem is you can't put two numbers in one column, so the number on the right is going to hang tight, and we're going to lift the left. 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 plus 8 more is 12. Again, what is the problem with this? That's right, you cannot have two numbers in one column. The number on the right is going to hang tight, and we're going to lift the left. 1 plus 5 is 6. So the answer is 6,211. Let's work another one. Let's say we've got 26,481 plus 569. You've got 1 plus 9, which is 10. But what's the problem with that? That's right, you cannot put two numbers. You cannot put two numerals in one column. Every column, every row can only have one number. 9 plus 1 is 10. Put down the 0 and carry the 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 9 plus 6 is 15. But of course, we can't put two numbers in one column, so the number on the right is going to hang tight, and we're going to lift the left. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Put down a 0 and carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 1 plus 6 is 7. There's nothing to lift there. It's single column. There's nothing under the 2, so you just drop it down. If you like to get rid of those now, you can. 1, 2, 3. Every 3 numbers you put a comma. In math, every 3 numbers is called a period. Now, most of you think of a period as a dot you put at the end of a sentence, and that's a period too. But in math, every 3 numbers, counting from the right, going to the left, every 3 numbers is a period, and you put a comma. This is 27,050. I hope that's helped you understand the method of adding up and having to carry where the answer has 2 numerals in it. You cannot put 2 numerals in one column. The number on the right is going to hang tight. You're going to lift the left.